Everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike here. It's a big day in the Monkey Wrench Kingdom because we are replacing the mighty ML. If you know the channel, you know me, you know that I use the ML 500 for everything. She has been dragging all of these cars home, and she did a great job. And then I sold her. Then I bought a couple of cars and had nothing to drag them home with. Yep. So we had to get a replacement, and we did. We won an auction, and it's huge. I mean, huge. Monkey Wrench Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
Okay, you know where we are. Yep, look at that. We brought the mighty E350 to pick up another car. Now, if you've been following along, you know that I need something to tow with, and I've been looking at a pickup truck. So, what did I buy? I didn't buy a pickup truck. I didn't buy one. Nope, I didn't buy one. I bought something else. Do you recognize it? Any idea what it is? Do you have any idea? You know it had to have a star. And there it is. Yep, but the big SUV, the big Mercedes GL 450. Didn't know that was broken. Okay, well, we'll glue that back. This is a run and drive. It was a theft recovery, and the window was down, and I was able to stick a key right here to get the window to go back up. I'm sorry for the voice, but I've been sick for about 4 days, and I haven't felt very well, and my voice is just now starting to be able to talk. Anyway, let's back it up and take a look at the car. Here it is, right here. I guess that's the mileage. I guess that looks correct. I don't know what all this is. Not at all, but look at the wheels. These are huge. Huge. Lorenzo? I guess those are good. I don't know. Are they good rims or are they not? Who knows? And these, I guess, are not closed. See, there we go, GL 450. The plate holder, I guess, is broken. This works. Look at that. Look at that, baby. I got water and Prestone, and I got my rear view mirror. That's not exciting. This is not exciting. Is there an issue with the engine? I got some seashells, which is great for my seashell collection. And I got a license plate. That's good. And I got a piece of a dash. And I got some Prestone. I don't know why. I hope there's nothing wrong with the engine. Is there a spare? There's a spare in there. Okay. Third row seats. I don't know how they work. You push this, maybe? Oh, oh! Look at this, watch. Look, they kind of work. We're just gonna leave that right there because that's gonna be fun. And I gotta close this. I've never had a gate that closes by itself. This is fancy. We have some issues from the theft recovery, okay? Huge issue. Hopefully it's just a spot on the tire I can get fixed. I don't know. Oh, we have it, oh. Okay. Cracked trim wood, right front seat not working, seat back. And then we have trim on passenger front seat broken. Cut something in dash. What? Cut wing wires in dash. Oh no, urinated in the vehicle. What? AC not working, check vents, possibly driven through water. That's what I don't like to see. Does it smell like it? No. Okay, so that may be why the seat back doesn't work. Someone got in here. What's this on the dash though? Cut wiring in dash. I don't see it. What's in here? Okay, we got some Fisher. Oh, we got some babies. Oh, they bought the car at 182, and they got some sunglasses. Is this me? Does this do it for me? I don't know. Those are the cut wires. For I guess that's the DVD player? That won't come down. What is that? I don't even know what that is. It's got to be like a DVD player or something. It's got to be. $25 off garage doors. More baby wipes. This was a mama's car. And her little girl liked milkshake. Strawberry milkshake. But Mikey likey. This one's okay. This is not. Okay. That's not a huge deal. This isn't a huge deal. That's not huge. Let's see what happens when we try to start her. Let's just see what happens. Look at that. She does run and drive. So let's see what happens. 105.3, that's good. First ever in my life. Yep, backup camera. Never had that before. Ever. Ever. Look how cool. What is this for? It's a vent thing. Oh, it goes right there. Okay, that goes right there. So I got some little baby girl clips. Got some chapstick. I got that. That's no big deal. Okay, the rearview mirror. That's not a good thing. And it's cracked. The windshield's cracked right there. Dadgummit. Look, I got a little sunroof back there. How cool is that? What does that do? Okay, so the plan is get the car home. They're going to tow it home for me, and then we can take a look at it. I'm going to go get sick here real quick. So what do you think? Do you like her? Yeah. Mikey loves so far. We have lots of little bits and pieces to replace. So there is some work ahead of us. I'm not going to make this a huge video source for the channel. We'll probably do one or two. Unless you guys want to see more on the... we got to name her. We do. Okay, I've got it. She's big. She's black. And she's powerful. From henceforward, she shall be called Oprah. Yeah, that's what we're going to call this car. It just popped into my head. It's a perfect name. Look at her. Yeah. This is Oprah. The Oprah Mobile. Yeah, I think that no disrespect or anything, but I just think it's a great name. It's a great car. She's a great person. La-ti-da. There we go. Hand in hand. Oprah. And the GL 450. Love it. Okay, so let me know if you want me to continue any video series on this. We'll probably do, in my opinion, one or two more. Okay, I am thinking about maybe blacking it out, maybe getting rid of some of the chrome and just making her, really mean and aggressive and everything. Let me know what you think about that too. I don't know. We'll see how much parts are, and we're going to get her, and hopefully, after I sell some other cars, clear some places on the driveways, we'll use her to pull everything home. But I'm looking forward to spending a lot of time behind this wheel right here. Okay, folks, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. We're close to 21,000. That's a huge number for us. So spread the word. Have a good day. Bye-bye.